Let's see this sha shi, okay, and this is a shi a sha. We use x and a, okay, for transcribing. Sha. So itself, by itself, it means cotton yarn or gauze, okay. So it's kind of a cloth. At the beginning, sha looks like this, shi a sha, okay, and then we put n here. This is a shan for ears, eyes and ears, shan. In the middle, let's see, we learned antaha as a guest, right? Who come to visit. So an, ta, and ha. This is a guest, okay? So we put a shambi to change it into a verb, okay? So this is a be, we put an m here. So this is a sha in the middle, being polite to someone. Okay, sha in the end, a sha a, and shi a sha. So this is a sister-in-law, but she's the wife of the older brothers. Okay, so asha. Let's look at the she. We just repeat sha and then put a dot. It's a she. It's often used to translate the Chinese word she, so which is a society or community or state. Okay, so she in let's see, she in the beginning, so it's a sheng xin. Okay, let's see, this is a shi, a she, and then shen, and then this is a ji. Okay, so this is a sheng, and then we write a xiyin xin, sheng xin. So that's a she at the beginning. Sheng xin itself means feng shui, wind and water. So it's like a geometric omen. All right. So she in the middle. Let's see. K. 什么 b 是 she, that's in the middle, and then we put mubi. You know this is a verb. 什 b, hurry. Okay, so she in the end. Okay, I just write it here. She. So this is and then this is a she in the end. Brother-in-law, but he's the brother of husbands, younger brother of husbands. Okay, like the Chinese 小叔子. Okay, so let's look at shi. Okay, this is the independent form of shi. We use xi. Shi is often used to translate the Chinese shi, poetry or poems, or this shi. Okay. Yeah, 世界的世 is like a generation or word, but it's often used for an honorary title of the great men, who passed away. 是, let's see examples. For example, 诗经, this is a 诗, and then 歌音经, this is a 经, and this is a 歌. So this is 经, 诗经 is the book of poetry. Let's see, 诗 in the middle. 八十郎币, yes, 八, and then 诗一诗, 八十, lam bi. Okay, so la, l, and la and mubi. It means being proficient in somewhat. Originally, it comes from the Chinese word 博士, but it went a long way. So ended up in Manchu as 八十郎兵, being proficient in something. Okay, 诗 in the end. 诗 in the end, let's see. Na cha cha na cha shi. Okay, is this 按茶室? 按茶室 is an official rank since the Tang Dynasty. Okay, so it means provincial surveillance commissions. Another example is 不查实. Okay, 不证实. This is 不无不 and 知恩真. 知恩真 and 实. 不证实 is like this. 不证实 is the same 实. It's provincial administration commissions. So they are all titles in the dynasties. Okay.